Oh, yeah, yeah. Okay, sir. There is traffic here. Yeah, yeah. Okay. What will we sit? Cái phần làm rất rất rõ rệt. Nghe là chút cho nó là
Mr. Denik. This is Benjamin. Yeah, Benjamin.
Yeah.
Hi. You're Denik.
Yeah.
So nice to meet you.
Thank you so much.
And the third medalist. So you are the gold medalist and you are the silver medalist. She's also the silver medalist. Hello. Welcome. So nice to meet you. You will please sit over here. Denik is here. Sorry. Where?
Honorable Colonel Mukesh Soda, Commandant 2 Assam Rifles, Ms. Preeti Chankiani, President, People's Arm Wrestling Federation, India, officers, JCOs, all the dignitaries, and my dear friends. Today, we all have gathered here to celebrate our local heroes who have made Mizoram proud by winning accolades in the sport of arm wrestling. Arm wrestling, a contest of strength and technique, has a rich history that spans centuries. And today, with the advancement of time, arm wrestling has become a global sport with various international championships. To become a good arm wrestler, it requires the combination of physical strength as well as technique. This is a proud moment for the state of Mizoram in particular and India as a nation, since our country secured the runner-up position in the Asian Arm Wrestling Cup 2024 held at Aurika CD Hotel in Mumbai. Our country, for making our country a global hub for arm wrestling. In the recent Asian Arm Wrestling competition, 9 countries participated in the competition and competed across 6 categories. Among the notable Indian winners were Mr. Denik Lalruatrunga from Mizoram, who won gold medal in the men's senior 80 kg right category, and Mr. Benjamin Lawmpuina, who won silver medal in 100 kg senior men's category respectively. And we have Ms. Vanraminaki. She won silver medal in the arm wrestling championship held on June 2024 Nagpur. Now, I invite our Honorable Colonel Mukesh Soda, Commandant to Assam Rifles, to kindly come and felicitate our winners of arm wrestling. Now I request Ms. Bandramika Ki, the silver medalist, to come over the stage. She has a strong will with which she has won several medals in different arm wrestling competitions, with the most recent being silver medal in left and right senior category. Now I invite Mr. Benjamin lawmpuina, silver medalist in Asia International Cup 2024, to kindly come over the stage. He is an accomplished arm wrestler with 12 years of experience. He has won multiple medals in various national and international competitions. Currently, he is the team captain of Mizoram and India team captain. And now, lastly but not least, I invite Mr. Denik Lalrat Chunga, our gold medalist, to kindly come over the stage. He has won gold medal in senior 80 kg right category in Asian International Cup 2024. He is the lifetime champion and 3 times India champion and also 1-time Asia champion. He got his first champion of champion at the age of 16. He is still very young and has a bright future ahead. Now I invite our Honorable Colonel Mukesh Soda, Commandant to Assam Rifles, to kindly say a few words on this auspicious occasion. Sir, please.
Am I audible at the last? Can you hear me? Raise your hand. Yes. Thank you. Respected Mrs. Priti Jangiani, President, All Arms Federation of India, Mizoram Arms Wrestling Association President Mr. Hriatna, General Secretary, Joint Secretary, Finance Secretary, Treasurer, and esteemed members, my dear brother officers, JSOs, students of NIDO, students of Assam Rifle Middle School, and the august gatherings of media also. At the outset, I convey my heartiest congratulations on behalf of Assam Rifles to the awardees. You've given us a great opportunity to felicitate you, to host you in presence of one of the Bollywood actors here. As you are aware, Assam Rifle is known as Friends of Hill People, Sentinel of Northeast. We are very proud to felicitate you today, to host you today, and we feel very good that you have not only motivated the youth and the coming generation of Mizoram, but have laid a benchmark for them, an ideal for them what to achieve. Those sports like arm wrestling doesn't require any field or any much infrastructure to go ahead, but what it requires is the talent and the will. This is what you have proved. We also feel, and would like to share with you, that Assam Rifle is also involved in a lot of career guidance to the youth. We are involved in recruiting and training the youth here. We are also carrying out a lot of anti-drug campaigns. I'm happy that you are also motivating the youth of Mizoram. At the end, I'm only left with again congratulating you on behalf of all ranks of Assam Rifle. Thank you for coming here and thank you for sparing your time. Thank you.
I would request Colonel Mukesh Wadha to kindly provide memento to the Armed Wrestling Federation officials. Now, I would request Mr. Ramlal Natha, President Mizoram Arm Wrestling Association, to kindly accept a token of our association. I would also request Ms. Preeti Jankeni, President People's Arm Wrestling Federation India, to accept a memento. I'm sure the words of our Honorable Colonel Mukesh Wadha, Commandant 2 Assam Rifles, will positively resonate with all of us. Now, I would like to request Mr. Philip, General Secretary of Mizoram Arm Wrestling Association, to kindly say a few words on this auspicious occasion. Sir, please.
First of all, I want to say thank you all on behalf of Mizoram Arm Wrestling Association for appreciating our arm wrestling Asian medalists. We have confidence that they have a great opportunity to be world champion for India in future, and we will put tremendous effort to make it happen as well. We want to thank you for your motivation to us, and you deserve acclaim with respect for your service in protecting people. And we do respect and thank you all for this. So let me conclude with the introduction for those who came today. First of all, I would call upon Mr. Ramlal Khaba. He is the president. You all know that. Okay. And our treasurer, Ms. Nanui. And our finance secretary, David Del Fakmoya. And Sir Joseph. Is our executive member. Okay, thank you. So I would like to call upon respected ma'am to have a few speech instead of me. Okay, thank you.
Thank you to General Secretary Philip of the Mizoram Arm Wrestling Association. Thank you for introducing us. Namaste and good morning to all of you. At the very outset, I would like to very much thank the Assam Rifles for honoring our athletes. It means a lot to us at PAFI, at the People's Arm Wrestling Federation India, for this huge honor at Mizoram. I would like everyone here to know that there has been a huge boom in arm wrestling. The whole country has now its eyes on arm wrestling and is watching arm wrestling. The Asian Arm Wrestling Federation and the World Arm Wrestling Federation have given us the honor of hosting the Asian Arm Wrestling Cup this year in Mumbai, at which our Mizoram athletes of the Mizoram Arm Wrestling Association have outshined themselves. So a huge round of applause for them. Vandrarmaki, Benjamin and Denik, you have made not just Mizoram but the whole of India proud. It's not very easy to stand at an international stage with international athletes. In fact, the opponent that Denik beat to win his gold is a Kazakhstan athlete, and Kazakhstan is the #1 country in arm wrestling today. And today he beat that athlete. He lost to him in the first round, but he studied his opponent, and when you lose in the first round, you have to come back and beat the opponent twice to win the gold. So he came back, he studied his opponent, he said yes. So you can realize that arm wrestling is not just a game of strength, but also a game of technique and mind and studying your opponent. And that's what he did. He studied his opponent, he came back and beat him not once, but twice to win the gold medal. So Denik, huge round of applause to you. Thank you, Honorable Commandant, Assam Rifles. It means a lot to us. We have a huge respect for the Assam Rifles and for the Indian Army, and it is a huge, huge honor for us and for me as the President of the Federation to accept this on behalf of our athletes and for our athletes to get this honor in Mizoram. So thank you once again for this honor. Thank you for having us here, and I would like for all our athletes to be on stage with us once. For all the Mizoram Arm Wrestling Association, Philip and Sir President, Honorable President Sir, to please come on stage. Honorable Commandant Sir, also please, I would request you to come on stage. We also have the co-founder of the Pro Panja League, which I'm sure all of you have heard about. Denik and Benjamin are now also part of the Pro Panja League. With more than 32 million unique viewers on Sony Sports, the Pro Panja League has also made arm wrestling very famous in India. Now that I have all of you on stage, there is one incident that I would like to recount. Not one incident, but something that I don't know how to explain to all of you. The pandemonium that was created at the hall at the finals of the Asian Cup. One Mizoram athlete, one Mizoram boy made the entire hall chant Bharat Mata Ki Jai. Everybody in the hall was shouting Bharat Mata Ki Jai because India had finally won the gold at an international competition of that level at the Asian Cup. And the same thing I would like to chant here for everybody on the stage here, since we are here on this amazing platform with the Assam Rifles. So for all of you at Assam Rifles and for our athletes here on stage, once again all of us, Bharat Mata Ki Jai! Bharat Mata Ki Jai! Bharat Mata Ki Jai! Thank you very much. One arm wrestling pose, please, sir.
Yes.
Sir, please.
It can happen from a busy boy.
Yes, please.
All of you can come also.
Yes,
Everyone please kindly come. Kindly come. Yeah, we can see. That's okay.
Ready?
Ready?
Thank you so much, everyone. I would now request you all to kindly proceed for the tea. Jai Hind.